Did you know that 4 females in every 1,000 have to deal with Hashimoto? The number of incidents of autoimmune diseases such as Crohn's disease, multiple sclerosis, or Graves' disease, rheumatoid arthritis have steadily increased in the recent years. Hi, I'm Sabine, hypnotist and instructor for hypnosis from Germany, and I'm talking today about hypnosis and autoimmune diseases. If you are interested because you have inquiries, clients with inquiries in autoimmune diseases, or you are maybe affected yourself, I'm looking forward to seeing you at the UKHC at 4:30 p.m. on Friday in the Windsor Room. Bye!